Welcome to the essential guide on how to create your new Gmail account, step by step. A Gmail account is essentially a Google account, giving you access to all of Google's services. Let's get started. Our first step is to navigate to the account creation page. Open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to gmail.com. Once you are on the site, look for and click the Create Account button. Now we move on to entering your basic identity information. Start by accurately entering your first and last name into the respective fields. Next, choose a unique username. This will become your new Gmail email address. If it's taken, Google will provide suggestions. Create a strong password that is at least 8 characters long, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. To ensure you're not a bot and to secure your account, you must verify your identity. Google often requires a phone number. Enter your mobile number into the field to receive a verification text. You will receive a text with a 6-digit code. Input this code into the prompt on the screen to proceed. The next step involves providing personal details and setting up recovery options. Add a recovery email, your date of birth, and gender. The recovery email is crucial if you ever forget your password. Review the privacy and terms page. Scroll to the bottom and click the I agree button to finalize. Congratulations. The main steps are complete. It's time to finish the setup. You will now be redirected to your Google account dashboard. To access your inbox, click the Apps icon, which is the 9 dots in the top right corner, and select the Gmail icon. Quick tip: enhance your account security by enabling 2-step verification, and consider using a reliable password manager. Enjoy your new Gmail account.